If you're looking for some unique fall decor or an eye-popping centerpiece, try making your very own pumpkin topiary. We'll tell you how. Stay tuned. Hey, good people. Welcome to Mommy Room Redo. This is a show to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we'll show you how to create a stacked DIY pumpkin topiary for your fall, Halloween, or Thanksgiving decor. Let's get started. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. I know I told you that the floral centerpiece was my absolute favorite, but this is another favorite. It came out much better than I expected. And I didn't even have to use that many supplies. This pick right here came from Hobby Lobby at $1.99 and it was 40% off at the time. I used this for my top pumpkin. I purchased this glittery pumpkin from the Dollar Tree and I liked it because I thought it would add some nice texture. I also purchased this larger pumpkin from the Dollar Tree as well. But as I explained in another video, the Dollar Tree now offers items that are more than $1. So this particular piece was $3. I then deconstructed it because I wanted to use some of the elements and not others. I then sprayed the items rose gold to match my fall theme colors. I then attached the pumpkins using E6000 glue and skewers. Just so you know, the pumpkins are made of styrofoam, so they're lightweight and pretty easy to work with. In between the layers, I added the leaves that I took from the deconstructed pumpkin. And this is the finished product. I believe this item could compete with any product in an upscale home decor store. In my case, I chose to create a smaller pumpkin topiary to fit on the mantle. But you can create any size or color combinations that work for you. For example, these beauties pictured in the front yard were featured in the Craft Patch blog. And then you have this smaller 6-inch version, which can be used as a centerpiece. It is sold at Wayfair for $34. It's your pumpkin topiary, and it's your choice. So, are you excited about today's DIY pumpkin topiary? Well, we certainly hope you are. And if you decide to create one on your own, please let us know. In the spirit of Thanksgiving, tell us one thing that you are thankful for. I know I'm thankful for you. Thank you so much for supporting Mommy Room Redo. Happy fall to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. So please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Take care.